Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we are going to be talking about Cronos coin and the crypto markets as a whole. Is a dollar CRO coin still on the table? Is it still a possibility? Also, another question you might be thinking, is it time to panic or is it time to profit? Is now a time where I can actually profit, or should I be panicking? Should I be selling, selling in chaos, right? We're going to talk about that more today. I am a bull. I think it is not a time to panic. For the record, I'm going to talk about why I think it's time to profit in this video. If you guys like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I got 3 videos coming at you guys every single day, and we're doing a $1,000 worth of Bitcoin giveaway when we hit 10K subs on the channel, so check it out. Let's hop into the charts. Let's take a peek at the markets to start the day. Bitcoin and crypto is currently at a $945 billion market cap. We're under $1 trillion still. And the top trending tokens for the day is one fake Ethereum token called FPOW. Buyers beware. That looks like a scam coin to me. It is not true Ethereum. Ethereum is ranking number 2 in trending, and Ethereum Classic is trending today. This is all after the Ethereum merge, right? We had a little bit of a bloody spill over the past week or so from Ethereum, the buy the rumor, sell the news event upon the merge, and Bitcoin came down, but it came right back up, which is great. It reclaimed the $19,500 price level, which is great to see, but Ethereum is falling down quite a bit, and Ethereum dominance fell all the way to 17.9%, which means it is time to not panic, but it's time to buy, guys. Ethereum is way down. I bought some Ethereum this morning. I am doubling, I'm tripling down. These are the times to buy, and let me tell you this too. You don't want to go all in because we still have some room down from here. That is a possibility. But you might be wondering, well, is a dollar CRO coin still on the table? Well, CRO coin is falling down. It is, right? It is now at rank number 27. It used to be higher, and it's kind of slowly been falling down in the rank. But that being said, all the markets are down, right? Look at over the last 7 days. FTX is down 15%. So is Cronos. Monero's down 14%. Bitcoin Cash is down 12%. You look at some of the top tokens, right? And you see that even Bitcoin is down 12% over the last 7 days. Ethereum is down 19% over the last day. So how about this? Is it over for Cronos? Well, is it over for ETH? Absolutely not. No, these prices are still coming back, right? We're still going to see an at least $4,000. I think, I always say I think we're going to at least double the previous peak at a minimum, right? I think a 10K ETH is on the table. I think a $2 CRO is on the table. That's at a minimum. So yes, I think it's time to profit, not time to panic. It's time to double down. And here's a couple stories I want to show you for the day. Some FUD out there causing some panic, right? Ethereum plunged after the SEC chair says the merge could make crypto a security. Now, is this something that we actually should be concerned about? Well, whether or not this is valid, right? I mean, he is the SEC chair, and he's going to make the case that he makes. At the end of the day, it's a court case, and this is a debate. And so who's a better debater, SEC chair or somebody that opposes him? But Gary Gensler, the SEC chair, is saying that now, since it's moved from proof of work to proof of stake, it is more like a security where you hold stocks, right? And then you hold your Ethereum instead of having it as a currency, which would make it less of a security. That's the argument. I mean, I call it FUD, right? But there's no doubt that SEC chair Gary Gensler is after cryptocurrency and wants to get some fierce regulation on it. And we've been hearing that for a while, and I think we're going to continue to see this narrative come from them. So this isn't really any new news. This is just kind of more of the same, in my opinion. And I'm not really panicking, right? We're just going to kind of see how this unfolds. Also, some good news. Sam Bankman-Fried has $1 billion to spend on acquisitions. And this is a reason, don't panic. Look, intelligent crypto firms right now are currently doubling and tripling down, just like we're trying to do with our buying. But they're trying to buy and acquire other companies. That way they get more adoption globally, right? And that way they can comply with regulations abroad, right? Say they're not, let's pretend like they're not in South Korea already. Well, let's say they want to get involved in South Korea. Well, instead of applying for regulations and getting in with the South Korean government and figuring out how to get compliant, The easier way is to acquire a company that's already compliant with the South Korean government and then integrate your, FTX program into that, right? And that's what you're seeing a lot of these companies do. Very bullish news. FTX is still buying and acquiring more companies, owns part of Robinhood, owns part of so many different organizations, and is continuing to do so. So that is bullish. But a little bit of bad news. The UK is issues a warning against FTX. Well, they're talking about that they are, Sam Bankman-Fried is targeting consumers in the UK without authorization. They are missing some licensure to operate properly on legal terms, at least in the UK. That being said, UK citizens can still get into CRO. It's just frowned upon, and technically, it is not compliant with the UK regulations. But we've seen this in the past. We've seen this from Binance. They haven't had regulation while operating in other countries, and then they just get that license. So, this is a story. Don't panic, right? This is just kind of what's going on in these markets right now. There's a lot happening, and as you can see, FTX is in the spotlight, right? By the way, fun fact, Sam Bankman-Fried is visiting the White House from time to time. That's how serious crypto is being taken right now, which is bullish to me. Another thing you got to keep in mind and why you shouldn't panic is because the Bitcoin halving is coming up. In 585 days and 13 hours, 23 minutes and 33, 32, 31 seconds, if you get my drift, the Bitcoin reward for the miners is going to be cut in half. Bitcoin will be more scarce, and that is the time where we experience the bull run. So as I said in my previous video yesterday, and if you didn't check that out, I highly recommend you take a peek at that video. I talked a little bit about this, my plan, my strategy on what I'm doing. But in synopsis, essentially, I'm buying more because I'm getting more and more excited the closer this timer comes down. That being said, I don't want to exhaust all my cash reserves because we need to make sure we still have some powder, dry powder on the sidelines so that we can fire off a couple purchases when we are at true bottom, which who knows, maybe we've already hit true bottom, only time can tell. But here's another thing. I don't know if you've heard of Robert Kiyosaki, but just want to show you a little more bullish. Robert Kiyosaki is an American businessman and author. He is the founder of Rich Global LLC. He's the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which is one of the best-selling books in history. And it is a fantastic book. And if you haven't read it, I highly suggest that you check it out. It goes through how you can get rich through time, right? By utilizing compound interest, by thinking about investing in a variety of ways, from real estate to investing in currencies to investing in the stock market. But he really loves gold and silver and has made a lot of money on those as well as real estate. But he right now is saying this, and a lot of people are talking about this. Rich Dad, Poor Dad author warns of the US dollar dying. Right now, the DXY, the US dollar, is going way, way up. It is going up fast. And that is causing a lot of other assets like stocks and crypto and real estate now to crash. But Rich Dad, Poor Dad author, very, very famous man, does believe that 2 commodities and 1 crypto will perform while the US dollar may die. And those are basically gold, silver, and crypto. So that's what we're looking at, guys. I mean, I'm still bullish. It's not time to panic. This man right here is not panicking. He's doubling down. He's tripling down. Sam Bankman-Fried is doubling down. He is tripling down. That is what I'm trying to do. And meanwhile, FUD will keep coming out. And these markets may continue to go down. But it is not time to panic, folks. It is time to get aggressive, stay vigilant, stay sharp. Make sure you're staying up to date with the latest and greatest in crypto. I'm bringing 3 videos a day. If you like the content, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you get a chance at the $1,000 giveaway when we hit 10K subs. But that's all I got for you today. I am Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you gotta remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out, as well as a $4,100 sign-up bonus when you sign up for Femex. If you use the referral code down below and you open up a trade, it could be yours. So check it out, guys. Have a great night. Peace.